This video shows how to buy shares of NWF Group Plc, a UK distribution and logistics company listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker NWF.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To trade, you will need a broker account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NWF.L to locate the company listing. Confirm the search result matches NWF Group Plc before moving on. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart, and confirm trading hours. Double-check the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct NWF Group Plc listing. Click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or set as a limit order when trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Find the eToro link in the description for the example used in this walkthrough.